The contents of cupboards and drawers are particularly exciting for small discoverers. As soon as they crawl or run, cupboards and drawers are enjoyably cleared out and explored. But cupboard contents, for example toxic cleaning materials, medicine or sharp objects like knives, can be highly dangerous in the hands of small children. The safety latch, which is made of robust and high-quality plastic, locks cupboards as well as drawers. It is not visible from the outside and it even protects fingers from getting pinched. Attach the safety latch to the inside of the cupboard. For the correct position, mark a horizontal line and attach the safety latch at a distance of 3 mm to the outer edge of the cupboard. Then simply tighten the attached screws. Place the latch in the gap in the lock and determine the position for its attachment to the drawer. In the correct position, it will have a distance of approximately 13 mm to the inside of the side wall. This should also be fixed into place using the screws. When opened, the latch snaps into the safety lock and cannot be opened or closed. Only when the latch is pressed down out of the safety lock, the drawer can be completely opened. During closing too, the latch is held in the safety position and protects the fingers from getting pinched. The drawer or cupboard door can be closed by adults with just one hand by applying light pressure to the latch, which is then released from the lock.